Calling 2022 CR 8265, State of Texas versus Corbin Patois. That I have parties announced for the record for the state.
Travis Rodriguez for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Leandro Reno.
And are you Corbin Patois?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge, and I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Patois, showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. The state moves to proceed on count one of the indictment, specifically the lesser included offense of an attempted, making this a Class A misdemeanor.
This is a huge legal pivot. The state just reduced the charge to a lesser included offense, turning a potentially life-altering felony into a Class A misdemeanor. That doesn't mean the behavior wasn't serious. It means prosecutors decided proof, intent, or proportionality mattered more than maximum punishment. Would you take this deal, knowing the judge still holds the final say?
No
Any objection? Mr. Patois, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you
Your Honor.
understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted to publish or threaten to publish intimate visual material as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court doesn't have to follow your plea bargain agreement? If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw the plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application of deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Here's the quiet danger of deferred adjudication. If he violates, even once, the court doesn't retry the case. Guilt is automatic, and sentencing happens immediately. Deferred doesn't mean forgiven. It means postponed judgment with a leash attached.
Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Patois, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count one. They're proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted publication of intimate visual material. Fine is assessed at $1,000. State recommends deferred adjudication. They want an apology letter to complaining witness. You're to permanently delete any and all intimate photos of complaining witness on all devices. With regards to the apology letter, is this word content? How many words? Or is it just going to be, I apologize, period?
I have conferred, the state has conferred with opposing counsel prior to today's setting. Opposing counsel has provided me a copy of an apology letter as well as an affidavit averring that all items, all photos of complaining witness have been deleted from his devices. The state has examined those letters provided by defense counsel and is satisfied with those letters provided.
This apology letter isn't symbolic, it's strategic. The court is forcing him to confront the human damage of threatening to weaponize private images. This is Judge Boyd making sure accountability isn't abstract. It's personal, documented, and supervised.
The state can turn those over to probation at the appropriate time.
All right. Did you understand that to be the plea, Mr. Patois?
Yes, sir.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
It is the state's understanding, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is asking that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 200 hours community service restitution and no contact with the complainant other than this apology letter. After that, there's to be no contact. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand those are recommendations by the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State offers an evidence, State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments, pending any objections.
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Potswan, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Nothing, Judge.
All right. How old are you, Mr. Potswan?
19, man.
And how old is the complainant?
Same age as me, I believe.
All right. Did you ever love her?
I did at one point.
This is the emotional core of the entire case. When Judge Boyd asks, "Did you ever love her?" the courtroom stops being legal and becomes moral. That one question reframes everything, not as revenge, but as betrayal of trust. How many crimes start right here, with wounded pride?
Yeah. So why would you try to hurt somebody that you previously loved?
Because it was a long story, one involving many friends of mine that she went behind my back during the time trying to hook up with each and every one of them. And I felt hurt, betrayed, and I didn't know what to think at the time. And I was very immature with my actions.
Well, no, I mean, maybe you shouldn't be in a relationship if you can't handle.
And I haven't been since.
Well, maybe that's a good thing because you're probably not ready. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right. Have you ever used drugs in the past?
Just a while ago, yes, ma'am.
What?
Marijuana.
When's the last time you used marijuana? And you're going to get drug tested today. So,
High school.
okay. What are you doing with your life now?
Right now, I'm trying to get a job at Chick-fil-A. I have a job at an Italian restaurant, Paisanos. I left that because the management wasn't as what I thought it was. So
What do you mean the management wasn't what you thought it was?
they had a very unique way of telling us how to do stuff and how our jobs were supposed to be, because I was only a busser. So they expected a lot more of me than what I was originally assigned for the task to do.
All right, because if you're trying to touch Paisano's special salad, you know, it's already perfect. There isn't anything you should be doing to that.
Mhm.
So who are you living with?
My grandma.
So your grandmother's supporting you. Why are you not living with your parents?
My dad is currently, he signed away his rights at birth, and then my
Okay.
mom is at UPS trying to get a house currently.
All right, do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right, anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. You're going to do a UA today, probation. He's going to need a UA today. And you say that UA is going to be negative.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 2 years deferred adjudication and probation. Let me know the results of that UA. There's going to be $1,000 fine probated. Did you graduate from high school?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, apology letter to the complainant. You're to delete, although photos are never really deleted once they've been stored somewhere. Delete any and all photos of images of the complaining witness on all devices. There's to be no contact with the complainant outside of this letter. 200 hours community service restitution, 40 of those hours to be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination with Booster. You don't have to do it if you don't want to do it, but if you've had it, then 40 of those hours will be waived. The remaining hours will be waived if you provide proof of some type of certificate from a trade school, or if you're full-time in college. And for this court, full-time in college is at a minimum 8 hours per semester. You understand?
This sentence is deceptively strict. 2 years of supervision, employment deadlines, education requirements, no contact, random testing. Judge Boyd isn't just punishing behavior, she's forcing maturity on a schedule. This is mercy with structure and zero tolerance for regression.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's going to be proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. If he is positive today, I'm going to want the UA hotline until further notice. If he's negative, then there's to be regular UAs. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. If there are no issues, then probation can do field visits as you feel is required. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you sign the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal? And did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're 19 years old. When you're we're off the record, you're 19 years old. When you're in a relationship and it ends, I mean, that's a person that you haven't even known a majority of your life. When somebody breaks up with you, and if they're trying to date your friends, guess what? Move on. Consider it. Ooh, I was lucky. Didn't get married. Didn't have children with this person. Instead of, doing what you did. You understand? That's yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I be excused? That's all I had.
Yes.